Hi everyone! We live in the wonderful country of Canada, and in Canada there are 4 seasons. Do you know what season it is now? So if I'm looking outside, I see some white stuff on the ground, that's snow. That means I think it's winter. Am I right? I think so. So today we are going to take advantage of this beautiful winter weather and do some snow painting. So to do this, you just need a few items. First, you'll need a few different spray bottles. This is just one that I use to spray my plants, and some water. And you'll also need some food coloring. That's it. So I have already put some water in my spray bottle. I'm going to take the lid off because I need to add my food coloring. So parents, this is a really great activity to practice counting. You can say, can you put 5 drops of red in the spray bottle? Something like that. It's also great to talk about mixing colors. So for example, I only have my 4 colors here, but if I'd like to make a spray bottle of orange, what colors do I mix to make that happen? So we know that it takes the red and the yellow. So great learning opportunity there. So I think I'm going to make green today because my bottle is already green. So I've got my green food coloring, and I think I'm going to put 10 drops in here. So the more food coloring you put, the more bold the color is. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so my food coloring's in. I'm going to put this back on nice and snug. I'm going to give it a quick little swirl. So that is my paint for the snow. Now you can use different spray bottles to use your other colors as well. I would suggest using 1 bottle per color, and then you can go and paint the snow. So we found that the narrower the nozzle, so if it comes out more of a stream than a mist, that seems to work better if you want to make something really distinct. But if you're just looking to make your backyard beautiful rainbow colors, you can do whatever you would like. We hope you enjoy doing some snow painting. Feel free to share your creations with us on social media at Kawartha Library. We'd love to see it and share what you've made in the winter wonderland here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.